Picture this. You're in the exam hall. The clock is ticking loud. Your teacher puts the test in front of you and you freeze. Your heart beats fast, like it's trying to run away. You studied all nighters and hours, but now? Nothing. Your brain is empty, like a blank page. You feel that yucky panic in your tummy. What's the answer? Where did it go? We've all felt that forgetting something big, like a test question or even your best friend's birthday. It stinks, right? But what if I told you there's a way to make sure that never happens again? A way to remember anything you want, anytime you need it forever. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. There are people who can hear a super long list of numbers like thousands of them just once, and they remember it all perfectly. They're called memory athletes, and they're not born with a special superpower. They use a trick that anyone can learn, even you. It's called the Memory Palace, and it's been used by smart people for hundreds of years. Today, you're going to learn it too. Get ready to turn your brain into a memory machine. What's a memory palace? A memory palace is like a secret game you play in your mind. You pick a place you know really well, like your house, and use it to store things you want to remember. It's like hiding treasures in different rooms, and when you need to remember them, you just walk through your house in your head and pick them up. Why does this work? Because your brain is amazing at remembering places. You can probably close your eyes right now and imagine your bedroom perfectly, right? That's the power we're going to use. Let's try it with something tricky. The first 6 digits of pi. Pi is a special number in math, and it starts with 3.14159. Numbers can be hard to remember, but the Memory Palace makes it easy. First, each number has a special sound. 3 sounds like M, 1 sounds like T, 4 sounds like R, 5 sounds like L, 9 sounds like P. Now let's group them. 3 and 1 together sound like M and T, which can make the word mat. Then 4 and 1 sound like R and T, which makes rat. Finally, 5 and 9 sound like L and P, which makes lap. So we have mat, rat, and lap. Now, let's make a funny story with these words. Imagine this. There's a strong math teacher named Matt standing in your kitchen. He's holding a giant, talking rat on his lap. The rat is wearing glasses and solving math problems. Isn't that silly? Now, every time you think of pi, you'll remember this crazy scene, and you'll know the numbers are 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. But wait, there's more. You can use this trick for anything, not just numbers. Want to remember history dates? Imagine a knight in your living room with the date written on his shield. Need to remember science facts? Picture a scientist in your bathroom doing experiments. You can even use places from your favorite games, movies, or books. Imagine remembering things in a magical castle like Hogwarts or in a Minecraft world. The possibilities are endless. Another example, remembering a shopping list. Let's say you need to remember a shopping list. Apples, milk, bread, and eggs. Here's how you can use your memory palace. Imagine walking into your house and there's a giant apple blocking the front door. In the living room, there's a cow giving milk right on the couch. In the kitchen, there's a loaf of bread dancing on the table. And in your bedroom, there are eggs hatching into little chicks on your bed. Now, you'll never forget your shopping list because you can see it in your house. Why does this work? Our brains are amazing at remembering places and stories, especially if they're funny or weird. That's why the Memory Palace works so well. It turns boring information into exciting adventures in your mind. Plus, the more you practice, the better you get. It's like training your brain to be a memory superhero. You might think, but I'm not good at remembering things. Don't worry, you don't have to be a genius to use this trick. Anyone can learn it, even you. In fact, some of the smartest people in history, like ancient Greek scholars, used this same trick to remember lots of information. And now, you can too. Next time you need to remember something, like your homework assignments or what to bring to school, try the Memory Palace trick. Pick a place you know well, imagine the things you need to remember in different spots, and make it as silly as possible. You'll be amazed at how much you can remember, and you'll never forget things again. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your Memory Palace today and unlock the power of your brain.